Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet very easy balaclava. I use 9 millimeters hook and 9 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot. And chaining yarn over, pull up yarn, make chain. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 60 centimeters of these chains. This is for large size. Make one more chain in here. Go to skip one chain, go to next chain. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, make single crochet. Go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through two yarns, pull up yarn, pull through two yarns. Make single crochet in each chain. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 single crochet in here. Make a chain, turn the I show this is first row. Turn the work, skip this stitch, go to next stitch from back loop. Now we have two loops in top of stitch. Go to this loop, back loop. Take back loop on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through two yarns together, make single crochet. Make one single crochet in each stitch and continue for this row. Go to last stitch, make one single crochet. We have 12 stitches in this rows. Make a chain, turn it, skip this chain, go to next stitch from back loop, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, and make one single crochet in each stitch, same as before row. Go to last stitch, make a single crochet, add one chain, turn it, skip this stitch, go to next stitch and make more rows like this and continue. I made these rows. We have 60 centimeters, 60 centimeters in here, 60 centimeters in here. Continue like this, continue like this in here. Go to this stitch, same stitch, make one more single crochet, go to next stitch, one single crochet, in next stitch one single crochet. Now we have 1 2 3 in next stitch, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Go to corner, 11. I show. Go to same stitch, one more in corner, 12. Make one single crochet in each stitch, in corner we have 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch, 1 in next stitch, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Go to corner, 11 12. Now we have 12 stitches in 3 sides. In corners we have 2 stitches. In here continue like this, make a chain, turn the work, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch from back loop, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Repeat like this for all stitches. Make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. I show in corner, 1 single crochet, without increase and decrease. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. In here make a chain, turn the work, skip one stitch, go to next stitch and continue to crochet from back loops. One single crochet in each stitch and continue like this, make more rows. I show. I made more rows in here like this. I show. In here go to this corner, make single crochet, continue from this side, make one single crochet, one single crochet in each stitch, one single crochet and continue, one single crochet, single crochet, go to this part, make one single crochet, one single crochet in each stitch, one single crochet and continue, one single crochet in each stitch. We start from here and continue until this corner, make one single crochet, go to first corner, make one, two single crochet in corner, go to this side, I show this side, make one single crochet in each stitch and continue, one single crochet, one single crochet, and continue like this for this row. I made this stitch, go to first corner, make one more single crochet in here, go to first stitch, slip stitch, I show, we make one single crochet in each stitch, start from here, continue until here and make single crochet in this side in each stitch, make a chain, go to first stitch, make single crochet, make one single crochet in each stitch, same as before row. For every stitch, 1 single crochet in every side. One single crochet, and continue. I made this row, make a single crochet in each stitch, go to first stitch, slip stitch. I show start from here, continue like this. In last row, continue like this, make a chain, yarn over, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together with this yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, in next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, yarn over, and continue. I show continue and make in every stitch until here. I made this stitch, go to first stitch, slip stitch, and make chains. Go to this corner, and make chains.